So second step is complete. Third one is install virtual network adapter, and at least you should create 2 network adapters, because we have a machine RTR. For RTR we need 2 interfaces, virtual interfaces. For that, confirm this Hyper-V installation, minimize your role and open your Hyper-V manager through your start menu. Then very first step is you have to create virtual network. Okay, so first click on the virtual network, private. For this course, okay, you need to create private network. Click private, add, then name it private network. The use is only for the private virtual machine. Okay, external or internal depends on your requirement. Then how you can see my next. Okay, I am just pressing enter. That would not work. Okay, another one I need. I have one here, you can see private network. Because I will use an RTR here, I need another one. Click private again, add, and put private again here, and 2 after it, and again make sure private is selected, press enter, and you have 2 network interfaces. Okay, here point number 4, extract all zip files that I gave you on the default location. Your self extractor will ask where you want to save. Don't change that location. I will open my Windows Explorer. The C I have in the 20411. I will open my virtual machines. Double click on each zip file one by one. Accept, extract, minimize, run second one. You must save on this default location. Okay, don't change it. Extract. Your DC1. Last file SVR4. Okay, so when all these zip files will complete, you will see in your C drive in program files a new folder, Microsoft Learning. Double click on it and you will see 2041. Here all folders will appear one by one, okay, automatically. So you have to wait for their completion. When it will complete this process, double click on each folder and run this batch file. There is a window batch file. Just double click. Right now I'm if this file is complete or not. This one is for my okay, I saw this one is that one is complete. So I will double click on this batch file it will do some configuration in my Hyper-V. Press any key to continue, it will close automatically. Okay, then go back to second folder, run batch file, DC1 batch file. I still have two machines, I don't know what are they. Server 1 and this one, I think is, let's go for the next one. There is no patch file. If then leave it. And for the SVR1, right now there is no batch file, but I think it will come when it will complete. Okay, so this is your, this was your fourth, sixth step. Okay, after this you have to actually, right now I gave you this base folder, okay, in your drives. Copy that base folder. Maybe it's in the zip format or unzip format. Check this one. Anyhow, look, you have to copy and paste in Microsoft Learning folder like this. It should be here, not in the 20411. Okay, here. When you have, now you can import your machines one by one. So open your Hyper-V. Import virtual machine, browse, double click on C, program files, learning, 20411, drives, stop here. Okay, or for the first machine, double click on client 1, click here and select this whole path starting from drives to the end. C, press Ctrl C to save this path for the next import. Otherwise you have to double click every time to reach this folder. Okay, select folder, import. So first machine you have. Go for the next one. I will click browse, click in here, press Ctrl V, enter. It will take you directly here. Okay, double click on the CL2, select folder, import. Number 3, browse. DC1, import. What? The previous window. No, paste here. RTR. And let me see my, is there any file, batch file related to the SVR1? SVR1. Yes, there is. Okay. Now it's batch file all complete. Right now RTR, browse, click, V, enter. SVR1, select, import. SVR3, import. The last one, SVR4, import. Okay, so after this, the most important thing, check their settings one by one. So I'm right clicking. If you have, like right now in this my machine, I have 16 gigs. Okay, but let me see how much RAM right now my CL1 is using here, so it's using 1 GB. Okay, 1 GB right now it's using. So is it enough? We can use 1 GB for our client machine, but use more RAM for your special domain controller and for other member server. So I'm going to change RAM for my domain controller for 2048, mean 2 gigs. Okay, double 2 gigs for my domain controller. Processor for that option. Actually this option is necessary for your 2012. If your host machine is 2012, then click here and turn on this migrate to a physical computer with a different processor version. Okay, so but I can turn on even for my 2008 machine. Anyhow, my machines are ready. So good practice is turn on your DC1 first, start it, then connect. It will open in the new window. And view your each machine in full screen. Again the password is same, okay, for our virtual machine, for all users, password capital PA $, W0RD. If you want to change any settings for any machine, first you have to turn off that machine, then you can change their settings through Hyper-V. Okay guys, so click anywhere because it's 2012 server. Control Alt and password is password. This is my London DC1. So use this command, open your run command, then open your command prompt. What's going on? slm gr.vbs space minus rearm to avoid that shutdown. Okay, it will extend your activation time or period. Press enter, confirm message. Okay, then take snapshot. Okay, so you can revert. This is a best practice. Restore point. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is how you can